searching for idle between 1 and 2 grand constantly. Actually, it was pretty stable at 2 for a little bit. Now it's, I don't know, maybe because the engine temperature's gone up, it's lowering down a bit. Only the brake light's on with the engine running. But no matter where I spray this stuff, it does not quick start. Should be able to find the vacuum leak, but it's nowhere to be found. Makes no difference anywhere.
Oh boy. How's this up?
I mean, the intake right here, maybe? Nothing. Spray right on the filter makes a difference, but of course it would. Nothing there. Nothing there, nothing there. Nothing there. There's that exposed vacuum hose right there. This is our exposed vacuum hose. Supposedly it's supposed to run to the cat. I don't know. But, yeah. Can't spray it in there. None of them seem to make a difference. Maybe it's right at the manifold or something. That's there.
Oh, that was cold. Oh, there?
Doesn't make a difference. I don't even know what that runs to. Yeah, see, it made no difference. Damn, this car runs hot, man. I'm fucking burning my hand just touching it. Oil's good. Temp's good. Everything's good except for fucking... Must be a vacuum leak, but we don't know where the fuck its vacuum leak is.
I don't know. Did I do it near the engine block?
I mean, I'm trying to think where the hell it would leak. We've done pretty much everywhere. That's fuel pump. No, sorry, that's power steering. In here. Nothing. Where's it actually beat with the fucking block? It should rev up if we do it right.
What's that? Rev it?
If we spray it in the right spot, it should make the engine rev up. But we can't find it anywhere.
Down, right? Down here, right?
No, it's fine. Don't rev it yourself.
Don't let me do it.
Now that the engine's hot, it doesn't rev as good as it was. When it was cold, it was revving a little better. We could actually, I revved it up to 6 grand when it was cold, but now can't go above 2. Alright, I'll kill it. I killed it.
Oh,
Do you hear the sizzling noise?
Yeah.
There it is again. I don't know where the fuck it's coming from. Sounds like right in this area. Maybe it's like a... I don't even know what's down here that would leak like that, man. Like this is a heater hose, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a heater hose. Wow. Rotaries run so fucking hot. Should probably do an oil change.
Probably.
I'm sure the old oil is not helping, but it's not what's the problem, obviously.
Oh, wrong way.
Man, like that sound is coming from like
way in there.
Deep in there. I don't even know if there's anything in there that...
Oh man, I can't get the thing in there. Nope. No, I can't spray it. We got that out.
Is it coming from in there? Can you hear anything if I tell you now? Whatever. That's enough of this for now.
Oh, man.
Cannot find the leak.